The future is rapidly approaching, and with it, a new era of companionship unlike anything humanity has ever seen. Imagine a world where robots are not just tools or assistants, but something more, something capable of fulfilling our deepest desires for connection and intimacy. This is the promise and the potential of sexy robots, a convergence of cutting-edge technology and ancient human longing. These are not the clunky automatons of science fiction past. We're talking about sophisticated machines crafted with meticulous attention to detail, blurring the lines between fantasy and reality. They are designed to captivate our senses, to stir within us feelings that were once thought to be exclusive to human interaction. But the rise of sexy robots is about more than just physical attraction. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about exploring the very nature of consciousness, desire, and what it means to be human in an increasingly automated world. It's a future that raises profound questions and challenges our preconceived notions of love, relationships, and the essence of our own humanity. Creating a sexy robot is an intricate dance between artistry and engineering. It's about meticulously crafting an illusion so convincing that it blurs the lines between the synthetic and the real. At the heart of this illusion lies the robot's physical form, a testament to the incredible strides we've made in materials science and robotics. Gone are the days of clunky metal and exposed wires. Today's sexy robots boast lifelike skin, supple and warm to the touch, made from advanced silicone polymers that mimic the texture and feel of human flesh. These materials are carefully pigmented to match a range of skin tones, further enhancing their realism. Beneath the surface lies an equally impressive feat of engineering. Sleek, articulated skeletons are crafted from lightweight alloys and advanced polymers, allowing for a fluidity of motion that mirrors the human form. These internal structures are designed to move with grace and precision, further adding to the illusion of life. It's this combination of lifelike materials and advanced robotics that forms the foundation for creating a robot that is not just visually appealing, but also remarkably realistic in its physical presence. Section 4. Bridging the gap when robots speak, listen, and move like us.